Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivy. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time that you're watching this video, and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Kindly like the video, share and comment. So today I just want to revisit our yesterday's video or yesterday's live. If you haven't watched the live, it was about let's cook chapati. That's Kenyan food. So you can go back if you want to learn how to cook chapatis. You can go back and learn how to cook chapatis on the video. Okay, on the video I didn't explain much because I wasn't talking. I didn't explain anything. Just literally, I wasn't interacting with the people who are watching, so you can go back and just watch. Okay, if you want me to create another video that explains what I was doing, the ingredients that I was using. Okay, I was only using four ingredients, that is maize flour, salt, oil and water. So the only thing that you need to prepare the chapatis, that is. So on the video I was preparing chapatis and chicken, stewed chicken. So you can go back and watch. It's only 1 hour video, and it's enough to prepare all the things, and they were ready and about to eat. So you don't have to take a lot of time preparing the food or chapatis, because most our mothers used to take like 4 hours or 3 hours preparing chapati. If the day that you are going to eat chapatis, you are to wait for like, you start at, let me say, we used to start at 6, then we will eat our chapatis at 9 p.m. in the evening. So most of the time I used to think that preparing chapati takes a lot of time, but nowadays I know how to prepare chapatis and it doesn't take long. The way I used to see our parents taking long preparing chapatis. So you can go back and see the videos. Okay, I wasn't talking on the video, so you can just let me know if you want a video that I will explain everything, the ingredients to use, or what thing to use, or if you want to use salt, what quantity. But I think if it's salt, you have to use on your taste, because different people have different kinds of taste on the salt. Because I may prefer a little salt, but you may prefer more salt. So it depends on you. So on that video, I didn't use sugar, because I usually don't like sugar on chapatis, but some people use sugar. Also, my mother used sugar. So most of the time, I prepare using only salt. But if I'll be creating a video how to prepare chapati, that is literally, if it's a video for preparing chapati, I will show you on the ingredients step by step, what to use. If it's sugar, what quantity to use on your dough. So kindly go back to the video if you haven't watched, or if you want me to prepare another video. After watching, you can come back to the video, or you can just comment to that video, then I'll make another video preparing chapati, just literally explaining everything or what you need to do while preparing the Kenyan chapati, the soft Kenyan chapati, because not the hard one, so the soft one, layered chapatis. Okay, thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and let's meet on the next video. Bye.